Instagram DMs have always been one of the most powerful growth channels, but most tools still rely on static automations, keyword triggers, canned replies, and frankly, rigid flows. And today that changes. Inrō is an AI agent for Instagram, and I want to show you how your Instagram automation just got smarter. So let's take a look. So it starts when you create a new automation. So instead of building everything step by step, you just describe what you want in plain language. You can even copy paste an URL. So here I prompted it to send my booking link to anyone who DMs the word schedule. Let's see what the AI is coming up with. So Inrō instantly built the full workflow for you. The trigger, the logic, the branching. It even turned my URL into a clickable link and tracked one. And inside every flow, you now have 5 AI native building blocks. Let's, for instance, take a look at Ask a Question. It lets AI understand the intent behind a reply and route the conversation down the right path without relying on exact keywords. You can also obviously collect information, and here the type of information that you can collect range from names, dates, emails, phone numbers, you name it. And then you can save it directly to the contact profile and sync it with your CRM. All right, you can also add branches as part of your scenario. And these branches can be AI detected based on a condition. It basically let AI split the flow based on tags, save data, or previous answers, so one automation can actually handle multiple scenarios. And then you have full handover passes the conversation to your AI, but with a goal. It handles the back and forth even through multi-steps and then gives control back to the workflow when the goal is achieved. Obviously, you have other type of AI features like agent message that reads the full conversation history and sends a fully contextual reply, and then the automation continues. And the same thing works for comments, so you can auto-reply to comments with the same AI context, not just DMs. And there's a whole layer of AI quality of life features that make your agent actually behave like a human. Things like intent-based triggers that fire based on what someone means, not just what they type. Folder exclusions, so you never DM or send a message through AI when you actually wanted to handle manually. There is spam and hate detection and automatic opt-out detection. All of it is running quietly, so your agent just works. But the great thing about Inrō is it also connects with your favorite AI models, like Claude or ChatGPT. So you can query contacts, you can pull campaigns insights, you can manage your account using plain language directly from your favorite AI assistant. But Inrō is more than just an AI agent. It's a complete Instagram growth stack, from common to DM automation and DM campaigns, where you can actually mass DM all of your contacts, to a social CRM with segmentation, conversion, tracking, and analytics, and all in one place. So just give it a try and make your Instagram so much smarter. To celebrate our product and launch, we're offering 50% off your first 2 months. The link is right below, and we really love your feedback. If you check us out on product, leave us a comment. It genuinely helps shape what we build next. This is just the beginning of agentic Instagram. Welcome to Inrō.